Is it a square or not? Today we're going to be looking at squares, talking about what is a square, and sorting them into squares or not squares. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it! First of all, a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That is 4 sides. It also has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. And not just any sides, all the sides are the same. Some shapes have 4 sides and 4 corners, but the sides are different lengths. If you see a square, it's gonna be all the same sides, all the same length. Let's see if we can find some squares. Our first item today, this window. This window. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Are they all the same? They sure are. That must mean it's a square. Ding, 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 ding. It's a square. On to our next item. Our next item is this mirror. Let's see. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do see 4 sides. The thing about this is that I see 2 long sides and 2 short sides. We know that a square has to have all 4 sides the same size. So this can't be a square. This is actually a rectangle. We're gonna throw that in, not a square. Let's move on. Our TV. A TV? Do you see 4 sides? Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And all the sides are the same. Is this a square? It is! Yes, we found another one. High five. Whew. Throw it up there. All right, your next thing is this clock. Let's count the sides. There's no sides. It just keeps going round and round. Is that a square? No, we've learned this one before. That must be a circle. A circle has no sides. It just goes round and round and round. That's not a square. Our next item is this box. Do you think this box is a square? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pointy corners. And they're all the same. Is it a square? It sure is. Yes! Whew. Ding, 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 ding. All right, next item. Here we go. An egg. An egg. I love eggs. Oh, I'm getting distracted. Let's count the sides. Doesn't have sides. But it's not a circle because it's a little smushed. It's not an exact. This is an oval. Ovals are like circles that have been a little smushed. But it's still got no sides, so can it be a square? Nope. Our next item is... What's this? It's a star! Well, a star can't be a square. There's way too many sides for that, right? Get it out of here. You're not a square. Wow. We found a lot of squares and a lot of things that weren't squares. Thanks for playing Is It a Square or Not with me. I want you to go and find as many squares as you can. Go on a hunt. Find the squares. Go outside and find the squares. Go to the park and find the squares. Look in your room and find the squares. See how many squares you can find. Make sure they have 4 sides and 4 corners and they're all the same size. Ready? Go.